Hi, Bobby. What are you doing, little guy? Come on. Come here, Bobby. He loves Daddy's cell phone cord. Pulls that thing around all night. Is that Kit Kat? Is that Kit Kat? Where'd she go? Bobby. Hi, Bobby. What are you getting? Bobby walks around and he pulls all kinds of toys and he plays with them. Right now he's got Daddy's cell phone cord and the TV remote and a measuring cup and cups for laundry soap that have never been used till they're clean. And he just carries stuff around and walks back and forth between the kitchen and the bedroom. He's almost 14 months old. Today we went to Stride Rite and he needs bigger shoes. He's outgrown his first pair. And he just runs back and forth. Bobby! Hi, Bobby. 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 He just walks right past Kit, goes wherever he wants. Still dragging that cell phone cord. Hi! You got the cord? Doggy get you. Let's see, it is quarter after 7. So Mommy needs to get Bobby his dinner and get Kit her dinner. And after that it's bath time. So we're gonna finish pulling the cord around and then get ready for dinner.